Okay, we're back with the second part of this video. So we left off with setting up the actual problem we're going to be doing and adding in the 0x here because we want all the terms listed here. So the next part, let me get it to focus. Okay, the next part here is we start off by dividing with our long division method. So we take our 5x cubed and we're going to divide it by the x here. So 5x cubed divided by x will be 5x. If we have 3 x's and we take away 1, then we have 2 remaining. Let me turn off this light. Okay. Then the next thing you do is multiply this thing that you divided here at the top, 5x squared, by x and the -4. So this is that polynomial multiplication. So 5x squared gets multiplied by x. That's going to give us 5x cubed. And then 5x squared times a -4. That's going to give us negative 20x squared. So you align the same exponents. So I wouldn't put this negative 20x squared over here or here. I would keep it under the other x squared term. And the same with the x cubed term. Alright, then we subtract. Remember, we're following that daddy, mother, sister, brother, which means we divide, we did that. Then we multiply, we did that. Now we're going to subtract. So we subtract 5x cubed minus 5x cubed, that's 0. Negative x squared minus negative 20x squared, that's going to give us, if we subtract the negative, it's like adding 20x squared to negative x squared, so that'll give us a positive 19x squared. We're going to bring down the 0x plus 0x. Alright, then x will go into 19x squared, 19 times x times. So this is a 19, it looks like a weird thing. So this is 19x, so 19x times x is 19x squared. And then 19x times -4. Gotta do a little math here. Let's see. Times 4. Negative 76 x. Alright. Again, we're going to subtract. $19x squared minus 19x squared is 0. And then 0 minus a negative. Remember, if you have nothing but you're taking something away, it's like adding. Subtracting a negative is like adding. So this is going to be 76x. Then lastly, we bring down the 6 and repeat the division and multiplication one more time. So x will go into 76x 76 times 76 is 76x. And then 76 times -4. Again, I need the calculator again. Times -4 is negative 304. Alright, we're going to subtract. Oh, sorry, I switched the screen. So we're going to subtract now. 76x minus 76x is 0. 6 minus negative 304, that's like adding a positive. So it's 304 plus 6, which is 310. I have nothing left to bring down, so this is where I stop. So my final answer will be 5x squared plus 19x plus 76. That's what we call the quotient. And then my remainder will be 310. All right, let's go back to the PowerPoint real quick and finish out. So that's what you're seeing here. Let me move my base. So that's what you're seeing here. I'm just showing this step all in one. I broke it down for you on the other screen just now. All right, then here on this next slide, I'm showing the division again, and then I'm just showing what I just said. The quotient is this number on top, 5x squared plus 19x plus 76. And the remainder is anything that doesn't evenly go into it, so that's 310. Okay, so here I have some practice problems for you. Use polynomial long division to divide 2x squared plus 3x minus 1 by x plus 4. You feel free to pause the video here to answer this question. And then the second question is what are the quotient and remainder? Again, pause the video to answer the question on your own. If you want answers for these practice questions, you can email me. Alright, so as always, we have some practice problems you can go to khanacademy.org to do. The class code is already on Google Classroom, and you can complete polynomial division videos. There are 3 videos and 2 practice exercises that I specifically assigned to each student. If you're seeing a bunch of polynomial division problems, videos, exercises, that means you're not properly logged into my Algebra 2 class. So you have to make sure you go through the steps to properly log in, and then you'll see the specific assignments that I assigned to my class. Lastly, the exit ticket. This exit ticket you're going to do on your own sheet of paper. You're going to take a picture of it showing all your work, and you're going to email it to me or send it to me via the Google Classroom assignment. As always, I put an ending slide. This is the end of dividing polynomials. So this was the part 2 of it, because the first part I didn't have enough capacity to finish the video. So I had to do this part 2. If there are any questions, feel free to email me. You know my email address, and let me know, and I can give you some help and support on this.